to My Happy Umbrella, and today I am doing empty house tour of our new house. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you must know that we are moving to a new house. Today I am in my new house and right now it's all empty, so I'm gonna give you an empty house tour. I've never done this kind of video, so I'll try my best to keep on track. I hope you guys will enjoy this video, so let's get started. So right now I'm standing on the front door and one stair is going down and one stair is going up to the living room. So first we'll go up. So this is the living room. We have a back entry there, the fire mantle. This is the first time I'm getting a fire mantle. I'm super excited. We got new fan and light fixture here. The living room ceiling is very high, which makes this area looks bigger than it really is. And here's the kitchen. So every appliance is new. I think the sink is also newly installed. The dishwasher is new. But I think the woodwork is a little bit old, but we don't mind that. There's a window here. Oops. Yeah. And there's a roof window in everywhere in this house. This is the thing which I like the most in this house. The whole house is well lighted. Should open this one too. Yeah. So this house has so many windows. So many windows. There's a coat closet here, and this is the dining space. It's pretty much big in comparison to the one we have right now, and the picture is a little bit old, but it's fine. The whole house is fully carpeted, but in Kansas we experience 5 months cold, so I don't mind it. So this is the entryway. They installed this new light fixture and I quite like it. Let's go downstairs first. So this is a nice space here. And I have some plan to decorate this whole corner. So much excited. And this is some kind of storage closet, but they don't have any light here, so we have planned to install some battery lights here to keep our bags and all. Now here there is the first bedroom. Has one nice closet, and it has this nice sliding door which opens outside. Sorry for the noise, Ivan is playing upstairs. So we have nice big backyard here, and Ivan is super duper excited about this whole space, and we have decided to make this room our office area because it has very good lighting and I can shoot YouTube videos here with natural light, so it will be so much comfortable for me to shoot videos here. Now this is the other bedroom.
If I forgot to mention, it's a 3-bedroom home with 2.5 bath.
It's a small one, but it could be the guest bedroom
because it's near to the guest bathroom.
This one also has full closet, and here is the laundry. Oops, sorry. So the washer and dryer is not so new, but we'll manage. This is the utility closet, so I'm not going to touch it. And this is the downstairs bathroom. Hi. This one also has window, shower area.
It's all pretty basic, neat and clean, nice sink and vanity.
So now I'm going upstairs again. And this door is for garage. It's a 2-car garage.
Currently we have 1 car, so we can use this space to play with Ivan during snowfalls and winters.
And this is the half bath on the main floor. And the main floor we have this deck area. Ivan and couple are enjoying the view. Okay, now let's go upstairs. There's only one room upstairs, that is the master bedroom. And this is the master closet. It is quite small comparative to our present closet, and the woodwork is old too, but I think I can do something about it to make it look better. I don't know. Okay, so this is the master bath, and it has a jacuzzi, shower area, again a window, again a roof window, and a separate toilet area, which is nice. And this is 2-sink vanity. If you're wondering what's in my hand, these are Clorox wipes. COVID-19, yay! Here we're coming down again to the main floor. And I think that's pretty much all I have to show you guys. So that's it. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, hit the like button, subscribe the channel and share this with your friends and family. I'm so excited to decorate and organize this new place and share it with you guys on YouTube. So if you like watching these kind of videos, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. I'll see you all in my next one. Till then, stay safe, take care and bye-bye.